Welcome my dear student. Today we are going to solve the remaining problems in the exercise 3.6. Question number 8. So prove that sin 4x plus sin 2x whole divided by cos 4x plus cos 2x equal to tan 3x. So my dear student, so just to take the LHS again, it is of the form sin c plus sin d. So it is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Look at the denominator, cos c plus cos d. It is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So sum to product identity we are using. So we can cancel this 2. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So sin 3x. 4 minus 2 2. 2 by 2 is 1 into cos x by. So 6 by 2 is 3. Cos 3x. Again cos x. This cos cancel. Sin by cos is tan 3x. That is the RHS. Question number 9 in the exercise 3.6. Prove that 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x equal to 4 into cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So obviously take the LHS. Okay. So listen my dear student. Combine the first two terms. 1 plus cos 2x is nothing but 2 cos square x. Okay. Then take this as c and it is d, 6x as c and 4x as d. It is of the form cos c plus cos d. So it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So 2 cos square x plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So cos 5x. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So into cos x. So for the first and second term, take 2 cos x as common. So remaining cos x plus cos 5x. Okay. 2 cos x into again. Imagine 5x as c and x as d. Again the same formula into 2 cos 5x plus x by 2 cos 5x minus x by 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 4 cos x. 5 plus 1 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So cos 3x into 5 minus x is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So cos 2x. That is the RHS. Number 10. Prove that sin theta by 2 into sin 7 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 into sin 11 theta by 2 equal to sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta. So my dear student, obviously take the LHS. Okay. So it is take in the first term take 7 theta by 2 as A, theta by 2 as B, and in the second term take 11 by 2 as A and 3 theta by 2 as B. So it is of the form sin A sin B. Sin A sin B is nothing but 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So take A as 7 by 2 and B as theta by 2. So A minus B minus cos A plus B, theta by 2 plus theta by 2. Okay. Similarly, the same formula for the second term, but take A as 11 theta by 2 and B as 3 theta by 2. So 1 by 2 cos 11 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2 minus cos 11 theta by 2 plus 3 theta by 2. Okay. So if you take 1 by 2 as common, 1 by 2, so 7 minus 1 6 by 2 is 3 cos 3 theta, okay, minus 8 by 2 is 4 cos 4 theta, okay. So 11 minus 3 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, so plus cos 4 theta, okay. Here minus 11 plus 3, 14, 14 by 2 is cos 7 theta. So plus minus cancel. So 1 by 2 cos 3 theta minus cos 7 theta. So again it is of the form cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. So cos C minus cos D is, just recall the formula. It is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C D minus C by 2. Once again I am saying cos C minus cos D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So 2 sin 3 theta plus 7 theta by 2 into sin D minus C. 7 theta minus 3 theta by 2. So this 1 by 2 cancel, okay. So sin 3 plus 7 10 by 2 is 5 theta into 7 minus 3 is 4 by 2 is 2 sin 2 theta, that is the RHS. 11 in the exercise 3.6, prove that cos 30 minus a into cos 30 plus a plus cos 45 minus a into cos 45 plus a equal to cos 2a plus 1 by 4. That is our aim. So obviously take the LHS. If you want, you can find out both the values separately. I think we know what is cos a minus b, what is cos a plus b. Cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Both are the same, repeated, okay. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, okay. So a is 30, b is a. Similarly cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, okay, plus the same thing, replace 30 by 45, that's all. So cos 45 cos a plus sin 45 sin a into cos 45 cos a minus sin 45 sin a, okay. So look at here, take it as a and this is b. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So cos square 30 into cos square a minus sin square 30 sin square a, okay. That is the first term, a plus b into a minus b. The same thing for the next one, a plus b, this one is a and that one is b. So a plus b into a minus b, the same, cos square 45 degree cos square a, so minus sin square 45 degree sin square a, okay. So I think all we know the value of cos 30 sin 30 cos 45 sin 45. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 but square, so root 3 by 2 the whole square into cos square a minus sin 30 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 the whole square into sin square a plus cos 45 sin 45 both are 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 the whole square into cos square a minus 1 by root 2 the whole square into sin square a, okay. So it is 3 by 4 cos square a minus 1 by 2 sin square, 1 by 4 sin square a plus 1 by 2 cos square a, okay. So minus 1 by 2 sine square A. Okay. So if we combine these two, it is 3 by 4, it is 1 by 2. If we take the LCM, we are getting, so what is that? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So if we take the LCM, 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 means 5 by 4 cos square x A. Similarly, if we take 2 by 4, okay, so minus 3 by 4 sine square A. Combine these two, okay. So 5 by 4 cos square A minus 3 by 4 sine square A. Okay, now it can be written as 1 plus 1 by 4 cos square A. It can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square A. 5 by 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4. Now multiply. So cos square A, okay, plus 1 by 4 cos square A, then minus sine square A, okay, minus sine square A, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 sine square A, okay. Now combine these two terms, okay, cos square A minus sine square A. Combine these two terms, cos square A minus sine square A. Combine the remaining two terms. Take 1 by 4 is in common. So 1 by 4 into cos square A plus sine square A. Now cos square A minus sine square A is cos 2A. Okay. Plus 1 by 4 into cos square A plus sine square A is 1. That is the RHS. Question number 12 in the exercise 3.6. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x divided by cos x plus cos 3x plus cos 5x plus cos 7x equal to tan 4x. So obviously take the LHS. So for the numerator you can combine 2 by 2 terms. Okay. If you want to get the answer in the minimum number of steps, combine first and last term and third and second term. Similarly in the denominator, then we can get the answer in the minimum step. Sin 7x plus sin x plus sin 5x plus sin 3x. We are combining the two. Similarly the same denominator. Cos 7x plus cos x plus cos 5x plus cos 3x. So we are going to use only the two formulas, sum to product. It is of the form sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So the same for the second one. Only the values are different. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus the same 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Denominator cos c plus cos d, it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. The same for the second term. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So 2, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4x. Sin 4x. The hint is present in the question itself. Okay. So we need 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So we are getting the hint. So cos 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3x. Plus 2. 8 by 2 is 4. Sin 4x. 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2 is 1. So cos x. Okay. By 2 cos 4x, again cos 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2 is 3, cos 3x plus 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 2 cos 4x, okay. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1, so cos x, okay. So both numerator and denominator, okay. So in the numerator we can take 2 sin 4x in common, okay, remaining cos 3x plus cos x. Similarly denominator we can take 2 cos 4x in common, remaining cos 3x plus cos x, okay. So cancel, 2 cancel, sin by cos is tan, so tan 4x, that is the RHS. Here you can combine as usual, but we won't get the right hand side in simple steps, so remember this combination. Question number 13 in the exercise 3.6. The question is, prove that sin 4a minus 2b plus sin 4b minus 2a divided by cos 4a minus 2b plus cos 4b minus 2a equal to tan a plus b. So obviously, as usual, take the LHS. Again, what we use for the previous question, the same formula, sum to product. It is of the, take this one as C and that 4b minus 2a as D. It is of the form sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So 2 sin, it is C and that is D. So C plus D by 2 into cos C minus, so don't forget to multiply by the minus, okay, or you can put the bracket 4b minus 2a, okay, by 2, C plus D by 2, C minus, that bracket is essential. Similarly, cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus, okay, 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus, okay, D by 2, okay. So now look at here, look at both the values and no need to simplify anything. 4a minus 2b minus 4b minus 2a by 2, the same thing is present, 4a minus 2b minus 4b, so we can cancel this, 2 cancel, okay. So sin 4a minus 2a, 2a, 4b minus 2b, 2b by 2 divided by cos 2a plus 2b by 2, so cancel by 2, sin a plus b by cos a plus b, that is tan a plus b, that is the RHS. Number 14 in the exercise 3.6. The question is, show that cot a plus 15 degree plus tan a minus 15 degree equal to 4 cos 2a divided by 1 plus 2 sin 2a. So basically take the LHS. So LHS is equal to, so cot can be written as cos by sin, okay, cos by sin. Tan can be written as sin by cos, okay. So now take the LCM, cos a plus 15 into cos a minus 15 plus sin a plus 15 sin a minus 15 by sin a plus 15 into cos a minus 15. So look at my student. So numerator is the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a cos b plus sin A sin B. So that is, okay, sorry my dear student, in the question not plus, it is minus. Okay, so the question paper it is given as minus. So it is of the form cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that is cos A plus B. So cos A is A plus 15 and B is A minus 15. So A plus 15 plus A minus 15. Okay, cos A plus B whole divided by, so look at the denominator, it is of the form sin A cos B. Sin A cos B is 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, so 1 by 2 into sin A plus B, A plus 15 plus A minus 15 plus sin A minus B. So A plus 15 multiplied by the negative, so minus A plus 15. Okay, be careful with that term. A minus B multiplied by the negative. Okay, so numerator plus 15 minus 15 cancel, A plus A, cos 2A, 2 goes to the numerator, so 2 cos 2A by sin, okay, what is that, plus 15 minus 15 cancel, sin 2A plus A minus A cancel, 15 plus 15 30, so sin 30, okay, so equal to 2 cos 2A by sin 2A plus sin 30 is 1 by 2, okay, so take the LCM, we are getting, okay, 2 cos 2A by 2 sin 2A plus 1 by 2, 2 sin 2A plus 1 by 2, this 2 goes to the numerator, the 2 into 2 becomes 4. So 4 cos 2A by 2 sin 2A plus 1, that is the required RHS.